Sure. Take the whole bowl. Happy Howloween.
Let me get this straight. On Howloween, you say trick or treat, and everyone just gives treats to you? For free.
Yeah, of course.
Well, this changes everything.
But now that you have treats for Otto's family, you need to return the ones you stole.
Ugh, going all over town's gonna take forever.
Maybe, but you still gotta do it.
Fine, I'll return them. Enjoy the treats, Otto's family. Sorry to miss the party.
Wait, Lab Rat, I don't think you have to miss the party.
Sorry, Chibi. Here's your puppy treats and kitty treats and fishy treats? Really? You think a fish is gonna hold its breath and walk out of the ocean to say trick or treat?
Hello? If those octopuses did, then why not a fish?
She's not wrong.
Sorry, cat burglar.
Don't be sorry, Squeaky. You really wowed me with that sneaky scheme. Respect. You know, if you're ever looking to team up sometime.
Don't get any ideas, you two.
Everybody gets scared sometimes. Buddy, Sparks, and I were so scared we couldn't help Ginny. But we took a deep breath and tried anyway, and found out nothing's as scary as it seems.